Welcome back, everyone. This video is the importance of still doing an induction service on your port injection vehicle, and I'm going to show you why that it is. A lot of these vehicles today come with variable tuned intake manifolds, plus the deposits that you can't see. As this Mustang apart, and you can see the intake runners are completely just sticky, gooey mess. If this vehicle, and this is port injected, so the injector goes in here and sprays fuel down. Well, it's not going to spray fuel up. Oh, that one's broke. No, it's not broke. That's not broke. Sorry. There's a shadow in there.
Yeah,
That the port injection doesn't do a very good job of cleaning. Eventually, these intake runners, you can see, are going to be completely sealed off. And what happens is they'll stick and then they'll break. And then they change how the vehicle actually runs. And that's why I say all the time that PCV valves, fuel injection services, good gas, induction services, GDI, are all a very valuable thing to do to your engine, although people don't believe in it. Well, I'm going to make you a believer. This is a port injected engine, and there's still tons of carbon left behind from lack of doing induction type services, and probably not changing the PCV valve, overextended oil changes, overextended tune-ups. So I just wanted to show you guys that how important it is. I'm going to give this a little bit of a clean here, but I'm not going to go crazy touching it. This is just too bad. He either needs an intake manifold or replace the IMRC is what they call that, intake manifold runner control block. It looks like it is serviceable, but I don't know because I've never serviced one. When these first came out, they did have a problem breaking when they were newer, and the dealer was warrantying them, but I haven't seen that in quite some time. Thanks for watching.